Hello and welcome to the Arteco portion of today's webinar. I'd just like to say thank you to Arecont for having us here. We're very excited to talk to you about our video event management software. So we're going to go over some key differentiation points and just give you a little bit of background on what a VEMS is and how we can help you out. My name is Steve Berkmeyer. I'm the VP of Sales and Business Development for Arteco. You can see my contact information right here. I'm based in our St. Louis office, which is our U.S. headquarters. Our world headquarters is in Faenza, Italy, which is in northern Italy, and we also have distribution and support around the world. So we really focus on being able to help you in whichever market you exist in. Our key differentiation point is Arteco is event focused, and to really understand that, you have to understand our background. Arteco started over 15 years ago in video security, in video analytics market. And through that work with area and object-based analytics, we really focused in on what was important to the video profile. Every camera has a purpose, and that it's something you care about. So as a security professional, when we install a camera, when we look at a specific field of view, we're looking at something of importance happening in that field of view. And if analytics are working correctly, we're taking action when that purpose happens, and we're discriminating that video differently than the vast majority of video when nothing of importance happens. So by understanding that, we can then start to do real-time alert notifications, we can trigger email events, but not only that, we can manage the recordings differently, how they're moved over the network, for example, or how they're stored. It all comes back to what is the purpose of that camera. It's something you care about. We've extended that concept out in video event management to multiple different types of devices, such as intrusion alarms, fire alarms, access control, traffic management, building automation, and perimeter security devices like microwave barriers, Doppler barriers, and smart fence sensors. All of these trigger events. They're all proactive devices, and if we can receive that event information in one common location, then we've achieved video event management. Arteco is open. In this day and age, all VMS almost is a prerequisite that they're an open platform. But we're looking at new and innovative ways to help drive interoperability between devices. Our most recent innovation is something called Open Connector, which is a blank canvas interface that allows you to pull in event information as well as cameras, IOs, web-based software, all in one tidy little window on a common platform. We're doing this by standardizing integration with simple communication platforms like XML and CGI protocols. We can control any web-based software, so any web-based GUI, whether that be access control, POS. We're starting to see where people are bringing in their ERP software directly into their VMS platform. We can control that directly inside Arteco. And then when all else fails, we have what we call the Arteco Everywhere, which is this little I/O device. It's a network I/O, it's PoE. It can control the on-off status of any third-party device, like a gate or a light system or a siren audio, or help us receive information in from third-party disparate systems that, as long as they can do a dry contact out, we can receive what's called an input-triggered event. And once it's in there, it's just like any event being handled in our event management software. Arteco is easy. As a business philosophy, doing business with us, we try to make it as easy as possible, but then also from an R&D philosophy. This is manifested in our work with Arecont, and in particular with their MegaLab certification, which we are very excited to announce at ISC West this year. So just in a few short weeks, we'll have that announcement out. But it's important to understand that with MegaLab, their goal, Arecont's goal, is to make this a seamless integration process between their cameras and the VMS partners. And that's really, a very great experience from a partnership standpoint. Our current integration features include Arecont Camera Auto Finder, so we've implemented their Auto Finder for one-click configuration of multiple cameras at the same time. You can directly access the camera settings from their web page from Arteco Next Client. So anywhere you are in the configuration settings, you can very easily jump back and forth between the configuration of the camera and the configuration of the VMS. We also have future pending integration features like adding the surround video and the Omni families of cameras to our discovery setup process, so that once again, just driving that one-click, easy installation, getting you in there, getting you out from an installation standpoint. And then we're looking at audio support. We'll have that coming out, as well as remote focus and zoom controls on the cameras. So every camera has a purpose. It's something you care about. The integration with Arecont and the MegaLab certification has been a key driver in making that easy for us. And with that, I would just like to say thank you. You have my contact information, so if there's anything I can do, please shoot me an email, call my cell, and we look forward to seeing you at ISC West this year. Thank you.